Good morning everyone, this is your Raju. Today we can cover below contents. How to install Django. Atom IDE Editor. Django Project versus Django Application. How to create Django Project. How to run Django Development Server. Role of Web Server. Topic 1. Install Django. How to install Django. 1. Make sure Python is already installed in our system Python version. 2. Install Django by using pip. Pip install Django. Pip install Django is equal to version. D:\pip install Django collecting Django downloading. Any.whl 7.3 megabytes 100% vertical bar 7.3 megabytes 47 kilobyte is. Collecting pytz from Django. Downloading 53B898779 APYTZ 2018.5 py2.py3 none any.whl 510 kilobyte. 100% vertical bar 512 kilobyte 596 kilobyte is. Installing collected packages pytz. Django successfully installed Django 2.1 pytz 2018.5. You are using pip version 9.0.3. However, version 18.0 is a why you should consider upgrading via the Python mpip install. 3. To check Django version. pym Django version. Topic 2. Atom IDE Editor. Install Atom IDE from the following link https://atom.io/. Specialty of Atom IDE. It is freeware. It is open source. It supports cross-platform. It provides several auto-completion shortcuts for easy development, etc. How to configure Atom for Python. 1. Terminal installation. File A settings install in the search box, just type terminal applet for IDE terminal. 2. Python auto-completion. File A settings install in the search box, just type Python autocomplete Python. 3. Django. File A settings install in the search box, just type Django atom Django. 4. How to change terminal from PowerShell to normal command prompt. File A settings install in the search box, just type terminal applet for IDE, terminal A settings shell override. C:\windows/system32/cmd.x. Topic 3. Django Project versus Django Application. A Django project is a collection of applications and configurations which forms a full web application. E.g., bank project. A Django application is responsible to perform a particular task in our entire web application. E.g., loan app, registration app, polling app, etc. Project is equal to several applications plus configuration information. Note: 1. The Django applications can be plugged into other projects. I.e. these are reusable. Pluggable Django applications. 2. Without existing Django project, there is no chance of existing Django application. Before creating any application, first we required to create project. Topic 4. How to create Django project. Once we installed Django in our system, we will get Django admin command line tool, which can be used to create our Django project. Django admin start project first project. D:\mkdir Django projects. D:\cd Django projects. D:\Django projects Django admin start project first project. The following project structure will be created. D:\Django projects. Vertical bar. Plus -- first project. --manage.py +-- first project --settings.py --earls.py -wsgi.py -init.py init.py. It is a blank Python script. Because of this special file name, Django treated this folder as Python package. Note, if any folder contains init.py file, then only that folder is treated as Python package. But this rule is applicable until Python 3.3 version. Settings.py. In this file we have to specify all our project settings and configurations like installed applications, middleware configurations, database configurations, etc. earls.py. Here we have to store all our URL patterns of our project. For every view, web page, we have to define separate URL pattern. End user can use URL patterns to access our web pages. wsgi.py. WSGI Observer Gateway Interface. We can use this file while deploying our application in production on online server. Manage.py. The most commonly used Python script is manage.py. It is a command line utility to interact with Django project in various ways, like to run development server, run tests, create migrations, etc. Topic 5. How to run Django development server. We have to move to the manage.py file location and we have to execute the following command. py-manage.py run server. d:\d Django projects \first project py-manage.py start server. Performing system checks. System check identified no issues, 0 silenced. You have 13 unapplied migrations. Your project may not work properly until you apply the migrations for apps, admin, auth, content types, sessions. Run python manage.py migrate to apply them. Date, time. Django version 1.11, using settings first project.settings starting development server at http 127.0.0.1 8000 quit the server with control break. Now the server started. How to send first request. Open browser and send request. http 127.0.0.1 8000. The following should be response if everything goes fine. It worked. Congratulations on your first Django powered page. Next, start your first app by running python manage.py start app_label. You are seeing this message because you have debug is equal to true in your Django settings file and you haven't configured any URLs. Get to work. Topic 6. Role of web server. Web server provides environment to run our web applications. Web server is responsible to receive the request and forward request to the corresponding web component based on URL pattern and to provide response to the end user. Django framework is responsible to provide development server. Even Django framework provides one inbuilt database client. Special thanks to Django. Note, once we started server, a special database related file will be generated in our project folder structure.